Hello everyone, just thought I'd give you an update on our blueberries and blackberries and such for the year. The blueberries, most of you know we've got about 2,000 plants, and most of those are waist high to shoulder high this year. Some of them are 3, 4, 5 years old, is about where we are, and they're covered in blooms. The 2 cold nights that we had this last week don't appear to have affected us, so that's a good thing. Hopefully we're out of the 30-degree temperatures by now. And you can see we're starting to mulch for the year too, trying to keep the weeds down. You know, we're organic, we don't spray anything, but because of that we've got to put something down to try to keep them weed eating all the time. And it looks like with our 2,000 plants, you can see them down through the field, it's going to take about 2 transfer truck loads of mulch to mulch that. And I don't know exactly how many truckloads, if you want to equate it to that is, but I know I think I've hauled 25 truckloads, and I'm about halfway through the first transfer truckload. So if that gets you any idea, but you can see we got them all mulched, and they're all blooming and coming out. So look forward to seeing everybody this year, and we'll be posting on our Facebook page, facebook.com/Countryside Berries. You can look us up. We're going to be posting what we've got and when we're picking, and I'll be doing a blackberry video here in just a few minutes with the blackberries. So hope to see y'all this year, and look forward to seeing you.